students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home and prepare for your exams. Students, we start our lesson number 7, adverbs, from our grammar book of class 8th. Students, in previous class you have to learn you learn the adverbs. Now in this class I explain you some main points, then all of you have to listen it carefully. Like an adverb modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. जो adverb होता है वो modify होता है एक verb में, एक adjective में और एक दूसरे adverb में. Here you see the examples like Monish eats hungrily. Here qualifies the verb eats. Monish is extremely greedy, qualifies the adjective greedy, and Monish eats very greedily, qualifies the adverb greedily. Here you see the examples. Now go to the next one. Kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how or in what manner or action takes place. It answer the question how. कि adverb of manner ये बताता है कि जो एक्शन है वो किस मैनर में कैसे किया गया, तो उसका आंसर होता है कैसे में. एग्जाम्पल, शी स्पोक सॉफ्टली एंड जेंटली. उसने कैसे बोला? बहुत सॉफ्टली और जेंटली. नेक्स्ट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. नाउ एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस tells us where an action takes place. Action कहाँ हुआ है? It answers the question where. Example, the boys are sleeping inside. जो लड़के हैं वो कहाँ सो रहे हैं? अंदर. Now more examples of adverb of places: outside, here, there, outwards, inwards, in, out, within, above, below, like that. So students, you have to use these words in the exercise. Now other adverbs are adverb of time. Tells us when an action takes place. Action कब हुआ? It answers the question when. Here example, they will visit us soon. More examples of adverb of time is today, yesterday, tomorrow, last week, next year, early, late, ago, now, already, afterwards, immediately. Now adverb of frequency tells us the frequency of an action. जो action की frequency थी वो बताता है. जैसे they visit this church sometimes. Here more examples of adverb of frequency is often, never, rarely, yearly, frequently, once, again, seldom. Now adverb of degree tells us to what extent an action is done. किस हद तक जो action है वो हुआ है. Here example, he hardly helps around in the house. Examples are rather, fully, partially, quite, enough, altogether, very, almost, once again. Now adverbs of affirmation and negation. Emphasis, the truth or the falsehood. सच्चाई और झूठ को जो साबित करते हैं उसके लिए जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो एडवर्ब्स ऑफ एफर्मेशन और नेगोशिएशन होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स, आई हैव नेवर मेट योर आंट बिफोर. लाइक दैट सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स आर सर्टेनली, यस, नो, नॉट, ने. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरोगेटिव एडवर्ब. इज यूज्ड टू फ्रेम क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए यूज होता है. इट इंट्रोड्यूस अ नाउन क्लॉज. और ये नाउन क्लॉज को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. वर्ड्स होते हैं वेयर, व्हेन, हाउ एंड व्हाई आर यूज्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. हियर एग्जांपल, व्हेन, हाउ लॉन्ग, वेदर, हाउ ऑफन, वेयर, हाउ फॉर एंड व्हाई इज यूज्ड फॉर इट. एग्जांपल, शी हैज नॉट टोल्ड मी why she is not coming for the class party. Next is relative adverb. Introduce a relative clause. It joins two sentences. ये जो adverb होता है students, ये दो sentences को जोड़ने का काम करता है. Like that is the house where he got married. Like that, more examples of relative adverb is when, before, whenever, lest, so that, how much, how far. So students, here we complete the types of adverb. So you, with the help of these, you have to fill the exercise of which given in the lesson.